Hey guys, welcome back to Mills Cottage. I am Rebekah Mills, and today we're going to be doing a fun sewing craft. It's super easy, super quick, and I have this extra Santa material that I actually used a lot for a tablecloth here in my craft room. And I have this much left, about a yard or two, but it'll make me 2 pillows maybe, or one big one. And so I have my sewing machine now. It's going to show you how to do it. It's super simple and easy. Anybody could do this. So here we go. Okay, so I have my 1 pillow here, the size, and I have the inside out. So this is the inside of the pillow, because you're going to want to stitch these sides first, and you want to get it as close to the edges as possible. And ideally you would want to iron any harsh wrinkles out, but I'm lazy today and I'm not doing it, so it'll just be wrinkles in it. I'm trying to find some pins, which I think they're in my embroidery bag. Hold on. If I had them in my embroidery bag. And what the heck? I don't know where they are. They must be upstairs or something. Ugh. Okay, I found them. I go upstairs to my office and see. Jeez, found my pens. Okay, so what you want to do is get your material to be as perfect as you can. Again, I didn't iron out my material. I probably should, but just want to get this done. So you're going to take your needle or your pen and just every few inches pin it down, go under both of them through like so. So we have one here, we have one here. Just go like every 2-3 inches and you go down through the bottom, push it back up and go through both material pieces like so, and you're gonna do the whole thing like this. Ooh, thing's heavy. Ta-da! Okay, just make sure your settings are right. And then don't sew your needles into your fabric. I'm gonna put her right there. Just it shakes the whole table. Let's see if we can get better. So we have our pieces sewn, so I'm just going to take out the remaining pins. Now you could, if you're wanting to make a specific size pillow, I know that there are like pillow inserts if you make your own pillows that you can buy at, I know they have them at Hobby Lobby, but I'm sure they have them at like Walmart and stuff too. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut. See how these 2 pieces right here, this is the bottom, the point, cut the points off like that. Make sure you don't cut your stitch, because that's something I would do. And that way, when you turn it inside out and stuff it, it'll be easier for those corners. Always be gentle and make sure your stitches stay intact. How cool. Okay, so we're just going to push those little corners out like so. And then we're gonna stuff it with some stuff. Okay, I have this bag of poly-fil. I got it at Home Depot. I got it at Hobby Lobby, and it was $3.57. It's pretty big stuff, so I'm just gonna take your fill, whatever you have, and put it in there. This is so fun. Before I started filling it. So instead of having, and I know this is like duh, but I forgot about it. So instead of having this whole thing open, I'm gonna turn it inside out again and stitch about 3/4 of the opening. That way it's a little bit easier. So we can pull this bad boy back over here. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna just stitch like a little bit of this. We're gonna stop about there. Oh, dang it. Oh, Jesus. I hope if my needle was threaded. Well, that's embarrassing. Yeah. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, there we go. All right. We have a pillow and we just have this much opening to stuff things in there. Stuff the poly-fil. Just gotta be gentle. Take your time. If you want to sew, the best advice I can give to people who want to sew is make sure you have patience and don't rush anything. Don't be in a hurry, because sewing takes a lot of patience and being gentle, and if you're ever sewing something, make sure you don't have anything that's like pressing to get to because okay, so it's pretty stuffed. So what I'm going to do now is try to fold this left open. Pull it a little bit. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to try to sew it. Okay, I'm just going to try to pin this spot, the opening where we had put the stuffing in. And then I'll try to put it in the sewing machine. Eek. Okay. Let's try this bad boy. Beautiful! I'm so proud of myself. I did it. It's not too bad. Not too bad. See? Oh, cute. I'm gonna go put it on my couch. All right, guys, we have our pillows here. 2 pillows I made out of that extra fabric, and they're just so cute. It was so easy to make. It's just a few stitches, some stuffing. I love this because I love this material. Hi, ma'am, can I help you? I'm in the middle of something. What? You wanna go outside? Give us a minute, give me a minute. I love that you can do this with any material, and you can make it more customizable, because some of the pillows out there are, one, super expensive, and two, they're not exactly what you want. So this is an easy fix for that, and it's just a nice little touch. You can never have too many pillows on your couch. You can make them as gifts, as presents, or just because. And yeah, I love it. It's so cute. If you guys like this video and you learned something new, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave down a comment and below if you've ever made pillows before. I think they're just so stinking cute. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for stopping by.